Okay, I'm here in the greenhouse at the Physic garden and I was going to talk about some homemade fertiliser and also the benefits of weeds. Obviously, things being what they are at the moment, people might not be too keen to go out and about shopping. So you might instead want to look around the garden and find ways to make your own fertiliser rather than having to go to the shops and buy a bottle of Tomerite or something. This flower here is a Comfrey. Now there are many different varieties of Comfrey. This is a dwarf Comfrey, which is a fairly commonly seen variety. You can identify it by the foliage as well. The good thing about Comfrey is it's incredibly full of nutrients for other plants. The roots suck up the nutrients and they're there to be released in the foliage. If you don't have Comfrey, what you quite likely will have is nettles. Now I've collected a load of nettles here. They've got all sorts of benefits, have nettles. The leaves are full of all sorts of nutrients, nitrogen, magnesium, iron, and you can make a brilliant homemade fertiliser. So fill a bucket with these shredded up leaves, like I've done here. Then pour water over the leaves that you've shredded up. The smaller you shred them, the quicker they'll rot down. Completely smother them. I think that's going to need a bit more water, isn't it? I'll add a bit more water. And also what you should do, when you fill the bucket up with water, the other thing you should do is put a couple of bricks on top so that they don't just float on top of the water, they sink underneath. Now give them a couple of weeks to rot down, and over here I have something in true Blue Peter fashion that was prepared earlier. I'm going to take the lid off. This is Comfrey and Nettle soup, tea, whatever you want to call it. Oh Jesus, it stinks. It absolutely reeks. You wouldn't want it anywhere where you don't want smelly things. It's disgusting. It's a really horrible smell. But everything that smells is good for the garden, isn't it? If you dilute that 1 part stench to 10 parts of water, you've got a brilliant homemade fertiliser for all your plants and for all your flowers and tomatoes and so forth at home. Enjoy making that. Cheers.